I'm out here at the Highlands, a gated community in Verrado at David Weekley Homes. This is the Goldwater floor plan. It is the model. I'm gonna walk through here in a few minutes. The size of this house is 3,253 square feet. David Weekley makes a beautiful home, great architecture, great fit and finish, luxurious bathrooms, attention to detail, very high quality construction, energy efficient, and they make a very, very nice, what I would call a semi-custom home. This floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 half bath, 3-car garage, flex space, walk into the main beautiful living area, dining room, vaulted ceilings with a kitchen. The master bedroom can be accessed through here where there's a little flex space down the hall, or through this hallway here, which I'll go down in a moment. Large ceilings, lots of light. His. Really nice, luxurious bathroom. The makeup area. Hers. And then this goes to, I'll walk through here. This goes to the laundry room. Fourth bedroom here. Full bathroom. And then back towards the front of the home, there is a full bath with 2 bedrooms, and there's an option to make this a guest suite where it'd be just 1 large bedroom and bathroom. Andrew Texador with HomeSmart, 602-909-9414.